guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how to force the dark mode theme or the dark mode background on every website, not just those that have an option to switch to dark mode, which YouTube already does have. I think you can find it here, appearance dark. So obviously most websites that have a white background, like for example the Google. So let me just actually switch to light theme. So you can see we are in the light theme right now. However, you can see the background is still dark. That's obviously because I'm using an extension to actually enable this, and this will apply across almost every website that has a lighter background, a white background. So this site here, as you can see, just flashed for a second, but it is usually a white background. And obviously if I turn it off, then you can see it's white. Turn it on, you can see it's dark. This website as well is usually having a lighter background. Let me turn it off, and you can see, here, this is the default. If I go back here and enable it, it's gone to dark mode and all the text and all the stuff appears normal. It's really a great extension. So what you do first is, this is for Brave and also subsequently Google Chrome, because Brave is based on Google Chrome. So what you want to do first is make sure your Brave browser is up to date, and you could obviously simply go through the settings and go to this place where right at the bottom, click that about, and it will give you a a prompt telling you if you're up to date or not. So obviously this was set up to relaunch, and obviously if you update your browser, everything will remain the same. You won't get like problems with your tabs being closed and shit like that. So Brave's up to date. You want to make sure this is like this and doesn't require to install an update, otherwise you won't be able to install the extension. But one thing regarding this is, some people, including me, when I was trying to update from the browser itself, it wasn't working. It just kept on resolving into an error. So what you do is go to the Brave installer website. This is what I don't want, and you just simply download the installation from here, which obviously will be the latest one, and then you just install it, and then you can go back to this settings section here, click about Brave, and it all should be up to date. And now you go on to Google Chrome, Google search, right on Dark Reader. So you can see here Chrome stays the same. Pretty much every website except for Chrome will be affected, but you just simply click add to Brave, I think it should be here, and then it will install, and then after that you will be able to have every single website be in dark mode, whether or not it has a manual option to click on dark mode. And you can see from here I can actually edit this. See that? Now it's gone brighter. And then you can see it affects all the websites that you enable this extension for. So anyway guys, it's just a little short tutorial on how to do that, because I needed it, because I just didn't want to be looking at websites that have that glaring white light in my face when I want to be interacting with the website, you know. And that's how you do it. So anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos from me. Thank you guys for watching.